I just recently bought it and oh please don't put me in an 8.0 BR. Please, I don't want missile. Please, stay me away from missile. Thank you, Gaijin. Oh, why is there an IL-28? There's a there's a BT-7M. Oh, Shiba Yaga. Please kill me. Oh, please. Thank you very much. Thank you. I wonder how it feels to have a stabilizer, bro. I just wonder. I hope I can get to that tank. Maybe in a month or 2 months. Okay, it's dead. See, he knows that I'm looking to him. Lol. Come on. Pick me, baby. He's dead. Is he behind those rocks? No, he's there. Ah! I don't want to play this map. Yes! I see a TU4. That's below 8.0 BR. But I don't like this map. Do you guys see the two fan that's spinning around? That thing? It's satisfying to watch them sometimes. Now, the reason why I don't like this map, first of all, I'm not very familiar with this map. I am just a new player and this thing, I don't know if it got released or it's been released before and got removed and then they put it back. I am not very familiar with this thing. I want to join. Can I join? Gun depression! Gun depression! Wait! Hello? Why is there a tiger in here? Does he see me? I don't think so. Wait, if I remember, tiger is a 6.3, right? And I'm 7.3. Damn, the differences are big. Hello? Hello? If this thing destroy me, I will... You goddamn mother... Reload! My machine gun, reload faster! Come on, reload faster, my machine gun! My stupid machine gun doesn't even reload faster. Come on! Uh, I'm pretty glad that the AML-90 and that thing is part of my team because those two are annoying, especially this one. These two, annoying. He's mad because he should be at C point right now. Ho ho ho. My teammate is already camping the enemy. Look at the map. That's some real defense. Hello, baby. Yoink. I was hesitating because I don't know the distances between us. That's why. Because once I fire my shot, I have to wait 25.9 seconds to reload. I'm gonna pick this because there's an SPAA. Oh, there it is. I missed. And he got my gun barrel. How? He has a missile. You know what? I don't need the gun barrel. I can pen you with just my gun. Believe me, I can pen you. I get that. Is this a new event vehicle? I think it is. That's annoying. They added an annoying vehicle. I'm gonna rush it. Cause why not coconut? he, he goes straight to hiding once I start turning around. Lol. Is what we call a, a pussy cat. It's a pussy cat. He is indeed a pussy cat. Huh? Ha 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 ha. Pow. Eat that. Hehe. I got this truck. I'm stuck. Hehe, you're dead. Lol. Oh, that's why I need a stabilizer as soon as possible. I need someone to reassure my feelings. That's why I need the stabilizer. Wait, yeah. And I completely mess it up because I'm an idiot War Thunder player. I hear somebody. That didn't do anything. Come on, I'm not a pussycat. But you know, it's kinda idiotic if I just sat in there and take his shot. It's kinda idiotic, isn't it? Whoa! Damn! That's what I like to see. God, mother. You mother. Hello, in here, please. He missed. That's a critical hit. Dead. Haha. Haha. Are you mad? Are you mad at me? Come on, bomb me all you want. You cannot kill me. It is impossible. What the heck is that? I see you, baby. Pick me, baby. Hehe. Hehe. That actually only got his commander. For real. For real. Stop gangbanging me. Okay. Stop being annoying. I'm just swinging around hoping he don't. Oh, that's a Chinese. It is what it is, brother. Yo! Okay, affirmative. He apologized and I will accept his apologize. Big forehead. Dead. Oh, there you are. I was just looking for you. Is he on the flyover? Yes, he is indeed on the flyover. Okay, for this round, I'm not gonna do some dumb stuff. I'm gonna play it well. I'm not gonna push because I have a 25.9 reload rate and I will try to use my brain. This thing, why am I being surrounded by some stupid thing? I didn't talk because my BP started rising. That's the reason why. And yeah, everybody's on me. Everybody's on top of everywhere. My BP is about to be activated again. Just the time I saw it. You mother. It's okay. It's okay. Don't stress. I don't want to have a high blood pressure. Please. Come on. I'm still young. I'm still 18 years old. That's no 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 no. No. Oh. Wait. I thought that was an FB. No. I thought that was an FB 4005. I got scared. Hello. How? How? Wait, what is the difference between IS4 and IS6? I mean, they look like they have the same turret. But the body? Oh, that thing's much faster. Okay. Get wrecked. Please reload faster. If just you can reload faster. Please reload faster. Please. Thank you. Okay. How? 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 And that's all, nappers. I hope you guys did have fun. Nops, peace out. Thank you.